As an accounting management software expert, I understand that efficiency and accuracy are paramount when it comes to managing your business finances. One crucial aspect of this is the ability to seamlessly integrate existing financial data into your chosen accounting platform. If you're considering Kashoo for your accounting needs, a common question that arises is, can Kashoo import a trial balance? The short and straightforward answer is yes. Kashoo offers the functionality to import your trial balance. This is a significant feature that can save you considerable time and effort when transitioning to the platform or when bringing in data from external sources. Let's delve deeper into why this capability is important and how it simplifies your accounting workflow, especially for those who are new to accounting software or are using this information for educational purposes. Understanding the trial balance, a cornerstone of accounting. Before we discuss importing, it's essential to understand what a trial balance is and why it's so vital in accounting. In simple terms, a trial balance is a list of all the general ledger accounts, both debit and credit balance accounts, contained in the ledger of a business. It's prepared at the end of an accounting period to check whether the total debits are equal to the total credits. Think of it as a preliminary check for accuracy. If the total debits and credits don't match, it indicates an error somewhere in the bookkeeping process that needs to be identified and corrected. The trial balance serves as a foundation for preparing the main financial statements, such as the income statement and the balance sheet. For those learning about accounting, understanding the trial balance is a fundamental step in grasping the double-entry bookkeeping system, where every financial transaction affects at least two accounts, one debit and one credit. Why importing a trial balance is a game changer. Manually entering the balances of numerous accounts into a new accounting software can be a tedious and error-prone process. Imagine having hundreds of accounts and having to type in each account name and its corresponding debit or credit balance. The chances of making a mistake are high, and the time spent could be better utilized for analyzing your financial data or focusing on other critical business tasks. This is where the ability to import a trial balance becomes incredibly valuable. It allows you to take your existing financial data, typically stored in a spreadsheet format like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and upload it directly into Kashoo. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving you significant time and reducing the risk of human error. For educational purposes, understanding this import functionality highlights how technology streamlines accounting processes, making it more efficient and accurate. It demonstrates the practical application of software in managing financial data. How Kashoo simplifies the import process. Kashoo is designed with user-friendliness in mind, and its import functionality for the trial balance reflects this. While the exact steps might vary slightly depending on updates to the software, the general process is usually straightforward. Prepare your data. The first step is to ensure your trial balance data is properly formatted in a compatible file, typically a CSV, comma-separated values, file. This usually involves organizing your data into columns for account names or numbers and their corresponding debit or credit balances. Kashoo often provides a template or specific guidelines on how the file should be structured to ensure a smooth import. Navigate to the Import section. Within your Kashoo account, you'll typically find an Import or Data Import section, often located within the Settings or Tools menu. Select Trial Balance. Among the different data types you can import, like invoices or contacts, you'll need to select the option for importing a trial balance or opening balances. Upload your file. You'll then be prompted to upload the CSV file containing your prepared trial balance data. Map your columns. This is a crucial step where you'll need to map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Kashoo. For example, you'll tell Kashoo which column in your file contains the account names, which contains the debit balances, and which contains the credit balances. Kashoo's intuitive interface usually makes this process clear and easy to understand. Review and import. Before the final import, Kashoo may allow you to review a sample of your data to ensure everything is mapped correctly. Once you're satisfied, you can initiate the import process. Verification. After the import is complete, it's always a good practice to verify the imported data within Kashoo to ensure all balances have been brought in accurately. Benefits of importing your trial balance into Kashoo. The ability to import a trial balance into Kashoo offers several key benefits. Time savings. As mentioned earlier, it significantly reduces the time spent on manual data entry. Improved accuracy. Eliminating manual entry minimizes the risk of errors, leading to more accurate financial records. Seamless transition. For businesses switching to Kashoo from another accounting system or spreadsheet-based tracking, importing the trial balance allows for a smoother and faster transition. You can quickly get your starting balances into the new system and begin managing your ongoing transactions. Educational value. For those learning accounting software, this feature demonstrates how technology can be used to efficiently handle large volumes of financial data, a crucial skill in today's business environment. Streamlined workflow. By quickly bringing in your initial balances, you can start using Kashoo's other features, such as invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting, more efficiently.